Man, I like this sweetened condensed milk. I could just eat it straight out of the can.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm making you a pie.
You're kidding. For me? What are you
For
making?
you. A cherry cream cheese pie.
Okay, then. Hey, that's your kind of specialty, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I've made this many times before.
Well, show me how.
Well, you start out with a block of cream cheese, 8 ounces. We use the Philadelphia brand. Now you can use low-fat cream cheese if you want. And also we use sweetened condensed milk. You can also use that in low fat if you would prefer. So what we do first.
Am I in your way?
Oh.
Can I stand there? Okay.
We're going to take a hand mixer and we're going to mix up the cream cheese.
So does that have to be room temperature? Hey, did you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, it's very important that you put the cream cheese at room temperature,
Okay.
because if you don't, it will clump up and it won't be smooth. Once you've got your cream cheese mixed up, and I suggest about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, you want to get it real smooth and creamy. And now we're ready to add the sweetened condensed milk. And the key to this is to add just a little bit of time as you're mixing. And I'm going to ask Connie if she will add that in as I'm mixing
Okay. There's
the
some on
cream
here.
cheese.
You want some? Big, didn't it? Is that right?
Yep. I'm going to use your spoon and kind of get it off the side so it won't be clumpy.
You know, I've never made this pie. I think you're the only one in our family that's really ever made this pie. Well, your mom used to.
Seems to be a hit with everyone. So
I know it is with me.
my mom really liked this pie.
Okay.
She made it a lot.
So, are you going to mix it again for a certain amount of time?
Yeah, I'm just mixing the part that I scraped off the side of the bowl to make sure it's all good and smooth.
Okay.
And the next ingredient I add is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And again, mix that in really good. And now what we need to do, and this is at your discretion, is to add a little bit of lemon zest.
How much of that are you adding?
Oh, about 1/2 teaspoon. It really doesn't take a whole lot, just enough to give it a real lemon flavor.
Ooh.
And I use a real lemon because it seems to set up a lot better if you use a real lemon instead of the bottled lemon juice. This is an extra large lemon, so we may not use all of it. And I'm also going to strain the lemon juice. Okay, once you get your lemon juice, 1/3 cup of lemon juice, the key is to fold the lemon juice into the mixture. Okay, and as you fold it in, you can actually see the mixture firming up. And it's a really good texture, which once it's chilled in the refrigerator, it's going to be firm enough to slice.
Actually, it smells really good. Can I taste it?
Sure.
Tastes pretty good.
Okay. And then the last step is to put... Okay, once you have your lemon juice folded in, it's time to pour it into the graham cracker crust. I'm using a 9-inch graham cracker crust. And so once you get this into your crust, you're going to want to put it into the refrigerator and let it set up for about 2 hours. That will make it really firm before you add your cherries onto the top.
Okay, so you got the cherries on there, don't you?
Yeah,
already?
It looks really good. You want to try it?
Of course I do. You made it for me, right?
Oh, sure.
Oh, that's good.
Let me try it too.
Thank you, David. Hey, you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you for invading my kitchen, I think. And don't forget to share the love. Tell somebody you love them. Bye for now. I love you.
I love you.
Okay, so you have the cherries on there, don't you?
Yeah, doesn't it look
Oh,
good?
goodness, that looks really good. Can I have a bite?
Sure.
All right. Yum.
You want to redo it?
I wish we could eat that now. You know, that's so sweet of you to make me this.
Oh, anything for my sweet, precious baby doll.
Whatever.